My love, I know you're going through grief, but you're not alone. You're one with the universe. The whole cosmos is breathing through you. Open your hands. Feel the earth beneath you, holding your feet with love. Feel the earth. Feel the air on your skin. Feel it through your body, bringing love, nourishment in and out with every breath. Inhale deeply and release your muscles with every exhale. Allow healing, allow nourishment. You don't need to do anything, but just relaxing and allowing and knowing that the earth, the sky, the cosmos are here for you. You're doing great, my love. You're doing great. Come back to your breath. Come back to your body. You are connected to the whole universe.